Join me, friends, for a super easy, or so I thought, project where I redo these little birds from Dollar General. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I got these little birds. They're ceramic birds from Dollar General, and they come in 3 different colors. They're super pretty, but they don't fit my decor very much. So I decided let's just quick paint it black so that we have a nice base. And you want to make sure, I'm just using, it's just a chalkboard paint. That's all it is. And I'm using my brush and making sure to get in all the divots. I thought this was going to be a super simple project, by the way. That's funny. Soon I will find out. Not so simple. So again, yeah, all I did, paint it black. Do you have to do this part? Probably not. But I wanted to be able to, my idea, again, my ideas, God laughs. It's fun. My idea was that I was going to paint it black, then I was going to cover it with some glue, and then I was going to do more chalk paint on top and do the crackle method so that the black would show through and it would be super cool with the crackle. So we let that paint dry. I take out my school glue, put that on the little dried painted bird, and then we're going to kind of just smooth out that glue. Let that glue dry, obviously, because, well, it's not obvious. Let the glue dry. There we go. I forced it with my heat gun, but you don't have to. And then I paint it with some chalk paint. Now, again, as I said, I thought it was going to be super easy. And I was like, I kind of liked the way the black kind of popped through with those divots. So I was like, oh, I'll just do it really quick and not a really big thick coat of the chalk paint. The chalk paint that I'm using, by the way, the color is oyster. And so it did crackle, but I wasn't grooving on it. I just felt like it just didn't look right. Now, maybe you think this looks cool and then move forward smartly with it, though. So, but for me, I decided, all right, let's just put another coat of the chalk paint on the top. And again, I'm getting all the divots this time. And thinking, this is, my thought was that I would do this and then I would try to heat it up again so that it does another crackle. Yeah, it kind of doesn't work. I should have put another layer of glue on it if I wanted it to crackle, but it's okay because here's the thing. I thought it was going to work. It didn't work so well for me, but you know what? We learned some things from it and I had pivoted and made it work for me. So here it is, all painted. We're going to let it dry. Again, I tried to do the crackle. It didn't work. So then I take a sand pad to it and I sand it lightly-ish. I mean, I didn't want to go crazy, but I hit it a little too hard on one part. So, and then I decided, you know what, let's just lean heavy into this distress vibe. And I took some wax and I used a sponge and wiped it all over it and quit it. It's super cute. Now, I had this little, this is just one way you could display it. I have a little grapevine wreath. You could put it on that. But then I decided, you know what? Get some Spanish moss and put it in a little basket from Dollar Tree and look at how cute it looks. Are you kidding me? It fits my decor now. It's like a happy mistake. Again, it took a little longer than I anticipated, but that's okay. That's all right because our end result made me happy. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.